Hi guys, my name is Angelikashatulina and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a smoothie which will help you to lose weight. It helped me and you can see my results. I know it will work for you too. Give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel and let's get it started. Ha! For the first smoothie you'll need an apple, flaxseed and a banana. To make your smoothie sweet, you'll need bananas. I recommended you to choose ripe bananas because they're the sweetest and good for your health. It's a perfect variant for a smoothie. I'll add some protein and dietary fiber to make it more nutrition and of course some water. Added fiber can help you lose weight by helping you stay full. For the next smoothie, you'll need a banana, some spinach, kiwi and celery. Also, I add some protein and dietary fiber. About protein, this all-vegetarian-based, dairy-free, lactose-free, provides balanced amounts of the 9 essential amino acids to support energy to lose weight and stay healthy. For the third recipe, you'll need a frozen ripe banana, some spinach and avocado. I very recommended you to buy soft avocado. Everything ripe is always the sweetest, tasty and juicy. And as usual, I add some supplements. I hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And remember that making smoothies is improvisation. Select your favorite flavors and making the process of losing weight as fascinating as possible because you know guys, it's a cool adventure towards you yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.